we have seen what is meant by finite sample space. So a sample space which contains finite number of sample points, it is a finite. Finite means limited. So see this example. In this example, we have tossed a coin 3 times. So what are the possible outcomes? Possible outcomes are 8. So 8 is a limited value. So when we throw a dice 2 times, we will be getting 36 number of possible outcomes. So these 36 are the limited values, and this limited comes under finite sample space, right? So now what is meant by countably infinite sample space? A sample space which contains countably infinite number of sample points. So countably infinite means what? So countably means we can count them, but when it occurs, it is infinite. When it occurs, it is infinite. Countably means we can count. Take this example. A coin is tossed repeatedly until a T is obtained for the first time. What are the possible outcomes? The possible outcome is I will be getting T in the first instance. So that is one possibility. The another possibility is in the second case I will be getting T. The first, so I am getting H. The second I am getting T. So that is one possibility. Means in this case we can count. We can count means we can count that in the first instance I am getting the result. In this case, so I am getting second. So second time I am getting T. That means the number of trials, so number of times I am tossing coin in this case is 2. This is countable. See this example. HHT means what? So I am failed in first 2 cases, but in the third instance I am getting the result. So this is the third instance. Means so we can count this. But when I am getting T is infinite. So that is we cannot predict. We cannot actually say that this time I am getting T in the 10th time. So that is not possible. Whenever we are getting this T, then we can say that these are the possible failure cases, and this is the result of this outcome. So take one more example. The number of accidents along Pune-Bangalore National Highway during the month. So there is no accident, there will be one accident, there will be two accidents, there will be three accidents. We can count the number of accidents. 0, 1, 2, 3. We can count them. But this month, how many accidents will take place? No one can say. No one can predict. No one can actually say that this month there are 10 accidents. So this is nothing but countably infinite. Countably infinite, friends, means what? We can count them, but the result we cannot predict. Actually, we cannot say that these are the number of accidents that will be taking place in this particular month. So this is countably infinite sample space. A sample space is either finite or countably infinite. So these two are comes under discrete sample space, right? So the next is an event. So now we will discuss what is actually meant by an event. So a collection of one or more sample point is nothing but an event. So this means what? So whenever we are performing an experiment, the possible outcome may be one or it may be more than one. So these possible outcomes of an experiment is called as an event. So an event is a subset of sample space. So sample space is the collection of all possible outcomes. So naturally the event is nothing but a subset of sample space, and these events can be represented by Venn diagram. See, this is a diagram. So this the number of outcomes are, in this case, the number of possible outcomes. You may take this as omega, and the sample points may be n. So sample space is omega, which consists of n number of sample points. This is one event. This is another event, and by using this, we can actually get the idea whether what type of event we are discussing. So the event normally can be represented by means of a diagram, and this diagram is nothing but a Venn diagram. Suppose if you toss it 2 coins, the event of getting at least one head is 3. So when we are tossing a coin 2 times, there are 4 possible outcomes, and out of these 4 possible outcomes, so the one head is getting in 3 cases. And in the experiment of throwing a dice, getting a sample point 6 is an event. So that is nothing but an